Hey everybody, so we just got a brand new product. It's this smart video doorbell. I know there's a lot of video doorbells out on the market so that when you have someone come to the front of your house, you can be able to see who they are and verify their identity. So let's open the box. There we go, a nice little quick start guide on the top. I like that. Always follow the instructions. And also how to pair the Chime with the doorbell. And it looks like a free gift, and it looks like it's fairly self-explanatory. I have a tray with just the video in it. It does have a little bit of weight to it, I would say. Looks like maybe this is actually something that I think would come out, but you would screw it on the wall. There's a little screws right here that you would probably install it with. And here is the ring, so that you can hear it on the inside of your house, like you hear a ding dong. And this has a picture of tools on it. So process elimination, I'm guessing, is probably just the tools. Yes, it's all the hardware that you need. Screws, cord, even little screwdrivers, and everything that you need, even tape. I'm not sure how that will apply. But it looks like everything you need, and I'm sure when I open the start guide, it'll have everything I need to get this installed. So there's a little bit more about the smart video doorbell.